Hey, welcome to Maverick channel. Thank you for tuning in. I am out here today with my Vivitar Aeroview video drone. It is a lovely evening and it's been a while. I have not gone airborne with it, so let's get straight to it. For those who have been following my channel, they know amongst all my drones, this is one of my favorite one. Not because it is too expensive or it is, the best out there, but simply because of the way it flies. It flies perfectly. I really enjoy flying it. So let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. As you can see, it is a very, very fine flyer. And I always say this, it doesn't have the best camera out there. It shoots at, it says 1080p, but the quality is not that good compared to other drones out there. But when it comes to flying, it is a very fine flyer. It will give you thereabout 8 to 9 minutes of flight time, but if you take out all its props and landing gear and also the camera, you should be talking there about 12 to 15 minutes depending on how hard you push it. So that's an added advantage right there. It is a very, very durable drone as well. For those who have been following me, once again have seen some of my videos where I've had terrible crash, and one other thing that I really think it's a low point for this drone is the time you use to charge its battery. It uses it will take about 5 hours to fully charge your battery for 8 to 15 minutes flight time, depending on whether you have your prop guards on or off, and on the camera and also the landing gear. But apart from all that, man, look at it. Just look at it yourself. It is a wonderful flyer. I just enjoy flying this thing. It is a great bird to have. Yeah, I like this drone so much so that I have 2 of them, believe it or not. I bought the second one just so that I should have, at least 2 flights times a day. I just didn't want to get a second battery. I preferred having 2 drones as well as compared to having 1 drone and 2 batteries. So what I do is I take one out with 2 batteries, and the other time, or when next I want to fly, I go with the other battery or the other drone. So let's enjoy this flight and just look at it, man. I love this drone, man. I love this drone. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And another interesting feature that this drone has is the follow me, and it also has a waypoint feature, which is pretty interesting. But I just like flying it LOS, just for the pleasure of just seeing it tear through air, dash through air. It is very, very agile. responds very well to its remote control. It will give you a very nice and happy day flying. And another thing that I like about this drone is you do not have to calibrate it every time you want to fly. You know, once it is calibrated, you can use it for definitely a long while, except on when you take the battery out, or actually let it stay for a while without flying it. Then I would always advise that you calibrate it before flying. But most definitely you have to calibrate it if you disconnect the battery from it totally. For example, if you have two batteries and you use one and then it runs down, and then you put in a new one, you have to calibrate it before you fly. If not, you will have a messy flight. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Just look at this bird right here. Oh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, baby. The low battery signal is on. As you can see, it is flashing real bad. So one last thing, once it starts flying, please, once it starts flashing, signaling low battery, man, I recommend you you land the bird, you recharge or switch batteries before you continue. I've had experiences where it took off for parts unknown, and I had to follow it and go retrieve or wherever it was. So please, once it is flashing, take it, bring it down, switch batteries or go charge it up. And please leave a comment below. Tell me if for those who have this drone, please comment about your experience with it, and let me know what you feel about this video. If there is anything you want to know about this drone, please feel free to also mention on the comments below, and I'll be glad to extend my help or share whatever little knowledge I have about this drone. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I am having a great one right now. Thank you very much, and see you on my next video.